everyone, welcome back. Before we get into the shave, this video is sponsored by Grown Man Shave. For a 10% discount on your entire purchase, use the code TheTravelingShaver right here, and I'll give you 10% off your entire purchase. Now, for the gear, I'm using Barrister and Mann's Petrichor, and this was sent to me by Grown Man Shave. I really like the scent on this one. It kind of reminds me of Eigengrau, which I thoroughly enjoy. My wife, not so much. So we'll see if this becomes banished into that same realm of Eigengrau, where I can only use it when she's not around. Now, a couple things about Petrichor. It is in the soft heart base. It is still available at Grown Man Shaves for $17.99, which is about $4.49 an ounce. Now, the scent, as described by Barrister and Mann, is the smell of damp earth after rain is one that recalls some of our best memories, playing on the puddles as children, splashing and laughing. It's richly natural, unique scent, one that captures the true essence of the soil and one of nature's greatest and simplest pleasures. I don't know if I get that damp dirt scent to it. Like I said, I get a very similar vibe to Eigengrau, and I absolutely love Eigengrau, and I like this one quite a bit. The brush this evening is the Omega Evo. We have the lather whipped up in my HC&C stainless steel bowl, and the razor, Blupin. This is very well hydrated. The razor this evening is one I haven't used for a while, and this is the Game Changer from RazoRock. And I have I think a third or so use PAA Platinum Strangelet. So with this one, okay, now that I have it lathered and I kind of worked a little bit more on my face, the scent has opened up a little bit more. And opened up a little bit in the bowl, but looping all over the place. Passed the UN test without shaving. But now that it's lathered, I kind of get a mixture of kind of that dampness that you get from Diamond and Eigengrau. And of course, those are the two scents from Barrister and Mann my wife cannot stand. She absolutely hates Diamond. Says it smells like wet corn or wet corn husks. And she hates Eigengrau. This one's probably gonna be a big miss for her. Now, since this was sent to me by Grown Man Shaves, the question is, would I purchase this based off of the scent? Personally, I would. I thoroughly enjoy it. However, I know my wife will not like it. I had her smell it before I got in the shower this evening, and she wrinkled her nose the same way she does every time I even talk about Diamond or Eigengrau. She's like, nope. So this is gonna be a big miss for her. And the sad part is with I'm no longer traveling, at least not traveling for work, I have less and less opportunities to use soaps like this, Eigengrau, and Diamond that she can't stand. But that means when I do get to use them, it's just that much more special. Well, the blade gap on this Game Changer is the 0.84. It's a little mild for me. When I first was kind of new into the hobby, I was seriously debating between the Game Changer and the Carve. And I talked to a couple of people and ended up getting the Game Changer first, which, you know, I don't regret. The Game Changer is a very good razor. However, now that I've kind of figured out what I like as far as aggressiveness and blade feel and everything, I tend to lean towards the Carve, like the G blade on the Carve. Because I had the Game Changer as one of the first DEs that I bought, and I had the Rockwell 6C, and then I think I got the Game Changer, and then I think after that I ended up buying a Mercure Futur, and I kind of used that as my daily driver. Until I went to SEs primarily. And from SEs I went to Chevettes. Bypass straights. Went straight to Chevettes. Oh. So one thing I failed to do a couple of videos ago is the gentleman that I had that bet with, if you remember from a couple of videos ago, where I had a bet with a gentleman that if I shaved off my goatee, I'm going against the grain here, that's bad. I'm not paying attention. I need to go across. That if, you know, if I shave off my goatee, shave off his eyebrows. So send me a picture after I shaved off the goatee. And that night, he shaved off his eyebrows. And I was like, dude, I need proof. You know, I'm not gonna take your word for it. I need proof. So he sent me a picture of himself with his shaved eyebrows. And with his permission, here it is. So as you can tell, I definitely won the bet. I am still sans goatee. Mostly because I'm enjoying the figuring out, remembering the strokes, not shaving the goatee area and everything. You know, the chin and the mustache, upper lip, lower lip. I'm enjoying remembering how to do that with a chevette and a straight. Trying to increase or decrease the time it takes me to shave, especially the brand new blade. So that's kind of what I'm working on right now, remembering how to do all that again with a good chevette or straight. With the DE, not an issue. And you can tell most of the stuff, I mean, my stroke changed a little bit with the DE versus a straight or chevette. Kind of the order I do things changes a little bit. However, one thing that does not change is the areas I shave. I don't do my neck on my second pass. I don't do my upper lip on the third pass. Because in reality, I don't need to. I could probably get away with 2 passes and be fine. I should say 2 passes and some cleanup. But I enjoy shaving. I enjoy the sense of the soaps. Yes, even to some extent, diamond. that's not my favorite. Diamond I would not buy. Light, I may or may not buy. Dickens Revisited, absolutely, I would buy that one. Vespers, yeah, without a doubt. Now the Game Changer is a nice razor. It's inexpensive for what you get, stainless steel, but even the 0.84, now that I've kind of figured out what I like more, and again, this could be due to a little bit of inexperience with this razor. You don't use it that often. Because in reality, it's not, I don't want to say aggressive enough, or efficient enough, it's just not aggressive enough for me. You know, I don't get any blade feel. Which I want a little bit of blade feel, if I'm being honest. I like that blade feel. I'm getting audio feedback, which I like. But there's no blade feel. It's efficient enough. I feel pretty smooth right now. But I just know from experience that this one, with this razor, the closest I'm feeling right now, it's just not going to last as long as, say, with my Blackbird or the Timeless or most of the Chevettes I have. But still a really good shave. Very comfortable, very smooth. If you don't like blade feel, this is a good razor for you. Now, I don't have the balm for this. Because again, I wasn't sure if I would like this scent or not. I knew my wife would not. Just based off of the scent description, I knew she wouldn't like it. So I didn't request the balm as well. I did request the soap. That smells really good. It has a great scent. I thoroughly enjoy this one. Now, since I don't have the balm or a splash, I'm running along Witch Hazel. I'm gonna finish off with a little bit of Sur Ihre Schmuss, because this stuff is awesome, has kind of that similar vibe-ish to it. So this is a nice little Fougere-esque type scent from Roten Wirts. Same company that makes tobacco. And I'm hoping, oh man, this splash is just heavenly. I'm hoping that the addition of the splash will kind of semi-neutralize, cancel out the scent of the soap. So my wife won't come upstairs and just like dry heave and go, "This is awful. Get rid of the soap." Because that's not happening. It's not going anywhere. I'm sorry, it's not. I dig this scent too much. It's fantastic. Anyway, the soap again this evening was Barrister and Mann's Petrichor in the soft heart base, which is really soft, especially if you compare this to Excelsior, but not as soft as Omnibus. The brush used was the Omega Evo. I don't even know what handle this is, what they call that handle. The razor was the RazoRock Game Changer with a 3rd or 4th use PAA Platinum Strangelet. And everything is whipped up beautifully in the HCNC stainless steel bowl. So once again, everyone, thank you for tuning in. Thank you to the subscribers, non-subscribers, those that watch the first 5 minutes, those that watch all the way to the end. I appreciate every single one of you. And and I'll catch you all next time.